So if I send me request cooking, no, may I tell you the truth. May I focus on my house. May I tell you the truth. May I focus on my house. Alright? Right now, I never business about no cooking or nothing at all. I do what I have to do and focus on my house.
What me do? Annie, what me do? Why you cussing me? Good morning.
Honestly, morning. You know, me get up this morning, I swear, I never want to go back on the subject there.
Yeah, but me not there, and Annie, me not call Meka, me not disrespect Meka, so you cuss me off.
Again. You see, yesterday one time when I talk, and one time TJ's, oh God, again, me no want to go back on that something, you know. Like,
No,
me come out.
I just remember say you cuss me off too, no, so I just explain now, so nothing really wrong.
Alright, so yesterday, one time, I see the screen record, right? Understand this. There's so many people who don't pan with right now, Kitty. You would never understand. I'm a daughter, you get me? Right? It's so hard to see my daughter go through this thing when now me end up a fair deal with it as a mother. When me see a TJ talk, this is what I'm saying. Like he must say.
I understand, but now go back on it, because I hear what Jabba
Alright.
say. I hear what the thing to me is the same thing Jabba say. It was just a little misunderstanding based on it look 2 ways, but I understand what you say. You get me?
Alright. So that's so now me just want to say part where one time I could have hear NJ say, no disrespect. But like you there, I like you didn't go say something, but in my case I say, no disrespect. So you make sure you nobody say what you say. You understand what I say?
But me not focus on me, because me never focus on
No, I'm trying. Let me say to you, Kitty. I think me was in my feelings as much where
okay,
me take it out. You understand what I try to say? And me end up take it out for you. And me say what me say. Me still would never apologize to TJ because I have my reason why. Me apologize to Maya because I'm bad for that. My bad. You get me? Right? But you did not do anything. I was just hungry. You understand me? Right? So, you know, me apologize to you as well. You get me? Just no.
When them tell me, you know, me just say about what me do, me ever salt, me not do nothing. Because when ask them, me never this way, no. But I say, guys, what me do, me just salt. All me I say, you know, me know what I go on with the individual, them and me can see it, you understand? But I understand. I just upset on the internet where I go on and come down for you and them thing there and the girl, you know?
Yeah, that's it. That's it. Because knowing that said, okay, then you were there or whatever, you come now this morning, make you honest with us. I'm a type of person, that's me. You get me? Wrong is wrong, right is right. But to how me see the whole thing, and me see the whole thing play out, me see exactly who is the person that do it. You understand me? And me not like nobody silence me, Kitty.
Yeah.
If you say me have something to say, and me know my truth, me not like nobody silence me. And right now me feel like say, that them I try to do. And if me speak my truth, everybody I just come down upon me. You understand me? Continue drag my family, board house where me living and all of that. So me just hold my peace. You understand?
I understand.
Alright, baby. Have a blessed morning here.
Yeah, man, you too, sweetie.
Thank you.
Guys, we understand.
When I get TikTok no break. When I get TikTok no break. What you need to do is to give your phone a break. No, alright. No more apology as what you say. Me get that. Right? But by right, me think that are the right thing to do because I done. I don't want to hear nothing more about it. You understand what I say? I done so what I have to say. I don't have to deal with my part on my end. You understand me? I don't have nothing to say. I have a lot to say, you know, but I think I'm supposed to just shut my mouth in another 1 year and focus. You get me? All of my spirit tell me say focus. You understand me? Yeah, I that my spirit tell me say focus, girl. Just focus. Just pass this. You see me? I'm okay because them crucify God upon the cross. All of the people them turn upon him. You understand what I say? Who is me? You understand what I say? Who is me at the end of the day? Right? So here what? Remember just focus on me. And me talk my mind, everybody turn upon me. Me see the whole thing. It's like when a person want to take away your motherfucking voice. You get me? Leave that alone. Guys, me don't want the comment section act up, alright? Me done. When me I go get out of this? It done happen already. Everybody I run with where them I run with. What go happen? What me I go get out of this? Tell me what gonna come out of this? What the good I go come out of this? Me say me done. You understand? I am done. Him apologize. Who apologize? Who she talk about? Your inbox me check it please. Who that? Hold on. Alright, hold on. Alright. She name. Alright, sweetie. Alright. Me go look in her inbox. Give me a minute. Well, simple. Right? If TJ turn off the comments. Me I beg you, whoop me I them father when you see it come.
What, Buma? Morning, sweetie.
Can't stop me cause me heart too clean.
Morning, Nanny. Thank you for the taps.
Morning. How is your morning?
I'm good, you know. You know how much time I try if you had you?
Hmm?
I think how much time I tell if you add me. Add me. But you never add me at all.
Thank you. Thank you for the puppy.
You good, Mama?
Yeah, I'm good. Focus.
Right. Come, guys. Double tap.
Hey, you know how funny it is? Yet when a person love tell people if go pray and go to church, and you see people, they might tell people if pray and go to church, and now gonna rash church, you know. And that be I tell you, you know, you ever hear somebody where I look by you and tell you if you do same things, you know what them not doing in their lifetime. Hey, that's so funny. What?
Holy part-time. Come, guys.
That's
Double
so
tap.
funny. You're going to tell people to
Times
pray and
3.
go to church. When you not pray, you're not going to church. That's crazy, man. Man, leave people to them own believe and them own religion, man. Relax yourself, man. God and merciful. So my time I want to make things seem worse than how it even is. That's crazy too. And that me realize it though. Come on, man. Right? If you're there, you support me, you support me. I want to fix a piece of board house. Yeah, that me depend now. Guys, me I beg you to help me catch the speed. If you're there, you support me, and you want to see good girl Annie win, me want you support me. You understand what me I say? That me depend. Right? So me I beg you if you can put in some rose, some donut, any little thing you can put in. You understand what me I say? Because me know me I go win in the name of the Almighty God. The more man put me down, and the more me I go rise. And that me I go